welcome to this video. This one is going to be on a Ford Explorer with the 3.5, and what we're going to do is change out the ignition coils. Customer had already had these spark plugs changed previously, and he wanted to go ahead and change out all of the ignition coils. So we're going to go ahead and change those out, test drive it, make sure everything's good, and then get it back to the customer. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. As always, keep God first in everything you do, and we'll see you on the next video.